Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on deleting sections in Selldone's Page Builder. Whether you're looking to reorganize your layout, clean up unnecessary content, or refine your design, removing sections is a simple yet effective process. The left side main menu provides the tools you need to delete sections efficiently. If the menu isn't visible, ensure the Tools option in the top menu is enabled. Let's dive in. To begin, locate the hierarchy option in the left side menu. It is represented by the first icon at the top. Click on it to access the structural overview of your landing page. This tool allows you to navigate through different sections and elements efficiently. Once inside the hierarchy panel, hover your cursor over the list of items. Each entry represents a section or element on your page. Carefully scan through the list to locate the specific section you wish to delete. Click on it to expand and view its included elements. In Selldone's Page Builder, elements are structured in a hierarchical manner. For example, a brand section may contain a container, and within that container, additional elements such as rows and columns are nested. Navigate through this structure by clicking on each level until you find the exact element or section you want to remove. To make this easier, Selldone highlights the selected item with a black square, helping you visually identify its location. When you click on a container, you'll notice that a row expands below it. This means that the row is nested within the container. Keep in mind that the layout follows a logical order, so deleting an upper-level element may also remove everything inside it. Inside a row, there are usually multiple columns that contain various design elements. Click on any column to expand it and view its contents. Understanding this structure ensures you're deleting the correct section without affecting other parts of your page. After expanding a column, you'll see the individual elements it contains. In this example, the first column consists of 2 text boxes and 1 button. You can also edit elements directly from this panel. Simply click the Edit icon next to an item to open the Edit tab for further modifications. To delete any element within a section, right-click on it and select Delete Element from the menu. This action will instantly remove the selected item from your page. Be sure to double-check before deleting, as some elements may be essential to your layout. If you accidentally delete an element, don't worry. Selldone provides a quick way to undo the action. Simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, and the deleted item will be restored. This is especially useful when making multiple changes and needing to revert a step. Just like with text elements, you can also remove images from a column. Navigate to the relevant column icon, click on it to expand its contents, and locate the image. Follow the same right-click and delete method to remove it from your page. Click the row icon to expand and reveal its contained elements. Some columns may contain additional nested columns inside them. Hover over the column structure, click to expand, and navigate deeper if necessary. This ensures that you're deleting the right section without affecting unintended elements. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete sections and elements in Selldone's Page Builder using the hierarchy tool. Whether you need to refine your layout or remove outdated content, these steps ensure a smooth and precise editing process. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your Selldone pages. Happy building!